The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and the Food and Drug Administration. At 8:17 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, hospitals across the city of Pomona have reported an unusual and alarming increase in the admittance of patients. All patients that have come in have reported similar symptoms upon admittance. These symptoms include the following: red or swollen skin, abdominal pain, diarrhea, warts or lesions, muscle cramps, abnormal heart rhythm, and tingling of the fingers and toes. In addition, it was revealed that all of the patients have consumed products containing peppermints or peppermint-related products. The FDA currently urges all citizens in the city of Pomona to not consume any and all peppermint-related products. If you are currently in possession of any peppermint-related products, do not dispose of them. Take any and all peppermint-related products outside, allowing health officials to dispose of these contaminated products in a proper manner. If you have consumed any contaminated products, please head to the nearest medical center for treatment. Remain tuned into the station for any and all updates on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and the Food and Drug Administration. All residents in Pomona and the surrounding areas are advised to remain in their homes for the rest of the day. Hospitals in these areas have reported an alarming increase of patients admitted with a mysterious affliction. All patients have reported to have consumed products containing peppermint or used peppermint-related products. The Food and Drug Administration urges all citizens in these areas not to consume these products to avoid being affected. These products include any peppermint hard candy, such as candy canes and mints, peppermint-flavored chocolate, peppermint extract, or any other products containing peppermint. The patients that have consumed peppermint-related products have been reported with the following symptoms: red or swollen skin, abdominal pain, diarrhea, warts or lesions, muscle cramps, abnormal heart rhythm, and tingling of the fingers and toes. If you are currently experiencing the following symptoms, please head to the nearest medical center immediately for treatment. If you hesitate, you have a high risk of death. Approximately 120 people have died due to consumption or usage of the contaminated products. Stay tuned for any and all updates on this dangerous and developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and the Food and Drug Administration. This is a statewide health emergency. Hospitals across the state of California have reported an alarming increase in the admittance of patients affected by a mysterious affliction due to consumption of contaminated peppermint products. The CDC, in cooperation with the FDA, have now confirmed the cause for the afflictions is the chemical element arsenic. Arsenic is a carcinogen that is poisonous to humans when consumed or inhaled. Any and all peppermint-related products have been revealed to contain lethal amounts of arsenic. Do not dispose of any peppermint-related products that you may have. Take these products outside where health officials can dispose of these contaminated products in a proper manner. Symptoms of arsenic poisoning are as follows: red or swollen skin, abdominal pain, diarrhea, warts or lesions, muscle cramps, abnormal heart rhythm, and tingling of the fingers and toes. Long-term symptoms of arsenic poisoning are as follows: darkening of the skin, constant sore throat, and persistent digestive issues. If you or someone you know is currently experiencing these symptoms, please head to the nearest medical center for immediate treatment. If you refuse, you may face certain death. All public vendors across the United States have been closed down indefinitely for inspection of their products. Please remain tuned in for all updates on this dangerous and developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and the Food and Drug Administration. The threat to all civilians in the state of California is over. All peppermint-related products have been recalled and disposed of. It is not currently known who is responsible for the poisonings, but is currently undergoing investigation. Current reports of casualties and those afflicted is unknown at this time, but is presumed to be in the hundreds. Normal programming operations will now resume at this time.